The movie Baghi, it's mostly they are showing martial art, and he is there, Jackie Shroff's son, Tiger Shroff. He's trained by his guru, who is very flexible, and his movements are totally enthralling. There is a scene where he is standing on one finger. That's very amazing, but it's difficult to digest the fact that one can do it. And he actually puts his leg on the like he is able to balance in whichever way he wants. And he comes to him. In the beginning, he was not at all disciplined, Tiger. But later on, because of his persistent effort, the gurus, he became very disciplined, and he also started following his footsteps. But there was his son, who was quite notorious, and he was instrumental in killing his own father, because Shraddha Kapoor, she is in love with Tiger, and the feeling reciprocated. But this guy, notorious son, he's also interested in her, and he goes to any lengths to get her. So in between, his father was also objecting to this, because he said that if she's interested, then you should retreat your steps. But he was very adamant, and once what he did, he poisoned his food. And when he was even breathing his last and he wanted to gulp some water, he just took the glass away, and he fell on the ground and he collapsed. And Tiger came to know about it. There were altercation between these two, and of course the notorious guy, he was defeated. But this story, the bottom line is all about discipline and all about authority of our leader, of our mentor. Because when we feel that the mentor is doing something good for us, then we can achieve whatever we want. We have to have that faith in the mentor. And this movie is all about that. And there are few songs. Shraddha Kapoor, when she's drenched in rain and near the railway track, she's singing, and few other songs are also there. It's a good movie, like sporty people will obviously like it. 4 stars.